soup is ready. Aww. Hi guys, let's make my groundnut soup, the one we couldn't do yesterday. So we are doing it today. I have my meat, so we'll just add this to it, and then we'll add some fish, and then this is my groundnut here. Tomato, groundnut paste. What is groundnut soup without groundnut paste? Sorry, what is groundnut soup without tin tomatoes? I'm going to go ahead and add my blended ginger, garlic, onion. Yeah. Okay. And this. And then a little salt. So just go ahead and stir. I'll just stir everything and nothing. So this is what we have now. So this is a groundnut. So I'm just going to microwave this. This is the groundnut. Yeah, so I'm just going to microwave this. We'll add this and pepper. So I'm going to add this, cover it, and put in the microwave. We had to transfer from the microwave to fire because I wasn't getting what I wanted. So the groundnut is ready. So we just transfer from here. Wait, sorry. Wait on a while. Oh, sorry. So I'm just going to take this and blend. This is our blended pepper, tomato, and onion. So let's go in with our garden egg. So just go ahead and add my fish. Guys, our soup is ready. It's ready. The salt, pepper, everything is just on point. Guys, our food is ready.